Hey, what's to YouTube fam? It's your girl TK, and I'm in my bathroom vlogging, y'all. And I decided that I wanted to get online real quick and speak to you guys about Donald Trump. We're going to be talking Tanya Chutkan, the judge that's presiding over his case that's dealing with January 6th, as well as the U.S. Supreme Court Justice, Mr. Roberts, the Chief Justice. Now, the first thing I want you guys to note here is that everything that I will be citing today will be coming from the U.S. Constitution. That is something that has been prescribed for the judges to basically use, and I will be using that today. The first thing that I want you guys to note here is that Tanya Chutkan, well, honey, she should not be presiding over that case. She should not have anything to do with the January 6th insurrection attempts. No, ma'am, no, sir. Her behavior is a prohibited personnel practice. It goes against the U.S. Constitution. As a matter of fact, one of the things that I want you guys to know is that the House Select Committee, they actually investigated Donald Trump, and they recommended that Donald Trump be charged, okay, for inciting an insurrection and a slew of other charges. But instead of them giving those, recommendations over to the U.S. Senate, they gave it to the DOJ. That is not what the U.S. Constitution has prescribed. That is not what the U.S. Constitution has prescribed. No DOJ attorney should be on this case, nor should Tanya Chutkan. She should not be the judge sitting for this case. That is not her job. That is not her function. That is not the roles that has been given to her by the U.S. Constitution. She is going out of her ways. And the thing is, why is she doing that? This is an egregious act. Donald Trump is not going through an impeachment. He's going through an investigations and indictments, but not a damn thing is happening according to the U.S. Constitution. This man is called safe. So who's going to really hold this man accountable? Who's going to hold Donald Trump responsible? Because they are going out of their means. They're going out of their way. They are not following laws, rules, and regulations. They are doing exactly what they fudging want. And this is an egregious act. These are prohibited personnel practices. And Tanya Chutkan should remove herself from this case and let Judge Roberts, the justice from the U.S. Supreme Court, preside over these cases effective immediately. That is his job. That is his role according to the U.S. Constitution. Why is he not doing his job? Why is he having a woman step in to do his job that was not prescribed to do this? She was not prescribed to impeach a president. That is the Chief Justice roles, responsibilities. And he's not following his roles or responsibilities. And these are what we call prohibited personnel practices. Ongoing, egregious abuse, and no one wants to hold anyone accountable. All Donald Trump has to do at this point is say, you know what? She didn't follow the U.S. Constitution. Of course she didn't. In all of these cases, these charges, they're dismissed. This is what we call white supremacy. This is when his skin color is like really important right now. It's playing a real goddamn role, because if you were a person of color, you wouldn't get these means. You wouldn't get these opportunities. You wouldn't get to play the fucking law. Because what they are doing at this moment is playing the law. And Tanya Chutkan should remove herself from this case. Because she is playing the law. She is not following the U.S. Constitution. Follow the Constitution. Hold Donald Trump accountable or don't hold his ass accountable at all, and remove the indictments and the investigations. You either follow the Constitution or remove it. Indictments and investigations all together. Because no one is following a law, but everybody's stepping in and getting a goddamn check from the government. Shame on you, Miss Tanya Chutkan. I would not expect this. You know the law. You know the rules. You know the regulations. You're supposed to follow the Constitution. You're the goddamn judge. And you're not following the Constitution. Shame on you. Peace, love, and happiness, guys. Bye.